this was the end of today's session. For the closing remarks, we have Mr. JehanZeb Amin amongst us, who is a fellow member of ICAP, and he has over 22 years of experience and is currently serving as partner at A.F. Ferguson & Co. Chartered Accountants. He is also a certified internal auditor from the Institute of Internal Auditors, USA. And he is a fellow member of Pakistan Institute of Public Finance Accountants. In addition to all this, he is also an MBA. He has been serving at various committees of ICAP for well over a decade. For several years, he served as visiting faculty at ICAP REITs and has also been a speaker for ICAP orientations at various career counseling sessions. Dear audience, please join me to welcome Mr. JehanZeb Amin to give conclusion to the session. JehanZeb Amin.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmadahu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. Rabbirhamma kama rabbayani saghira. Thank you very much for such a warm introduction. I mean, that seems like once upon a time, but for that I have to express my gratitude to my seniors who helped us guide the way and carry the legacy of the profession. And it's very heartening to see that over the past 2 days, the way our presenters have carried this responsibility. I would like to thank my presenters over the past 2 days, the way they have reached out to the audience in person in here, and those who joined us through the digital platforms. So it's about feeling the responsibility towards the profession, recognizing the responsibility of being up to date, being relevant, keeping your skill set relevant with what the demand is in there. We know that over the years, our profession has seen the more need and more appetite for public confidence, and people trust what we sign off. It's not only about the members in practice who sign the audit reports, but also about the members who are in industry, who lead the accounting function, reporting, budgeting, compliance, controls. You talk about it, and it's a big, big horizon that our professional, our people, they take care of that. And these types of sessions, they contribute towards those professional developments to remain relevant for tomorrow, to keep ourselves updated with the emerging trends. That is all that we know, that we are taught since our training days. So my sincere gratitude to all of you for making this event a success. There are certain learning points for future events as well. And once again, my gratitude to all the presenters, especially to Hamad for taking up the responsibility for the last session, because it becomes tiring at times, we know, for an audience to absorb, but he took up the challenge and took up some very emerging and demanding standards, specifically IFRS 9, taxes, and then, of course, these associated entities and joint interest, these aspects. So these are much in demand. They have a global outreach and impact. So thank you so much, Amat, for feeling the responsibility, and my gratitude to all of you for staying back and participating in this event. Thank you so much.